blew my back out 4 times in 4 years, actually this week, every year for 4 years straight. Got back into golf, blew my back out again, and had to figure out how to swing a golf club because I was done competing in CrossFit, and spent about 2 years rehabbing my back, building some speed back. 3 years ago, really got into golf. So I started like a 15 handicap, worked my way all the way down to 3 in about 18 months. And I've always been the guy that hit the ball a long way relative to amateurs. So went down the rabbit hole of speed training. So I started at like 108, 110 cruising speed. Over the past 2 years, I'm up to 125 cruising speed now through this stuff. So I wouldn't give you stuff that I wouldn't do, because if I'm not gonna do it, why would I have you guys do it? So let's start here.